Grabe naman. Sobrang napaka-energetic ng ating ngayon, ng ating host for tonight, no? So, palakpakan naman po natin. I-virtual clap naman po natin yung ating host for tonight, si Coach Arwin. Isa sa mga rising icon natin dito sa TMM community, sa LLIC, and one of our MPP dito po sa Bicol. Alright, yan. So once again, good morning everyone. I'm Director June Pareha with my co-host for tonight, si Coach Arwin Balmedina. So once again, welcome po sa LLIC Supreme Business Opportunity Presentation. So our company is called the Lurluran International Corporation. This is a life-changing opportunity na can create huge result for each and everyone na nandito sa ating Zoom room. Di ba may kasabihan, kanino ka nga ba gumigising tuwing umaga? Di ba? Hindi naman para sa kapitbahay mo, hindi para sa sarili mo, pero kadalasan po, gumigising tayo sa umaga because of our family. Huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil 100% we are legit. Registered po tayo sa SEC, sa Security and Exchange Commission, last 2019. Yun ating pong SEC registration is CS 2019-13854. So, kung familiar po kayo sa site ng SEC, pwede niyo pong i-research si Lurluran International Corporation o yung ating SEC registration. But of course, LLIC is the most fastest rising names in multi-level marketing industry sa ngayon. Isa po ito sa kumpanya na can transform lives through the world-class wellness, health, and beauty solution. It's different po yung ating produkto kasi this is exclusively crafted by the one of the South Korea's most trusted and globally recognized manufacturers. Na ini-ensure talaga yung quality as a premium, yung safety, and innovation in every formulation. Sa isang negosyo or sa isang kumpanya, especially multi-level marketing company, it's very important po yung people behind. Sabi nga yung 3Ps in the business of networking. Number 1 dyan, who is the people behind the company? So our founder is Mr. Lorenzo Rellosa, na sa ngayon po ay present mayor ng FAMI Laguna. And our president and CEO, yung sister po ng ating founder, si Ma'am Maria Dolores Astudillo, no? Grabe po yan. When it comes to experience sa pag-handle po ng kumpanya, dekada po as a executive po siya ng maraming kumpanya. Alright? And our VP for Marketing, pamangkin po ng ating founder, experience, true leader, no? Dekada po ang experience when it comes to multi-level marketing. Ibig sabihin, in networking business talaga ito yung Batikano. Siya po yung utak ng ating marketing plan na i-share ko po sa inyo sa gabing ito. Our Vice President for Finance, kapatid po ng ating founder, si Mr. Leonidas Joaquin Rellosa, and the youngest among those BODs po natin is the VP for Operation, ang panganay na anak po ng ating founder. General Manager, si Ma'am GM Nina Corazon Alvarado. Now, legit ba talaga yan, Director June? May opisina ba? Yes, of course. Corporate office sa Lemon Square Building along EDSA Muñoz, Quezon City po yan. After lang po yan ng SM North. And ang ating naman pong main office is located in FAMI Laguna, kung saan mayor po yung ating founder. And we have the first branch in United Arab Emirates sa Dubai. Now, let's talk about the vision. Very important po itong vision ng kumpanya. Kung baga tayo as individual, binivisualize po natin yung ano yung mangyayari sa atin for the next 3 years, 5 years of our career. Ang ating mission naman po is to help enhance one's beauty and develop extreme confidence through the formulation of the product that are effective and healthy. So dahil po dyan, we are aiming to become a remarkable into growing market while giving sustainable income sa ating pong mga partner distributors. Napakaganda po nito kasi for the 5 years na existing po ang ating company, we have a lot of distributors na kumita na ng talaga ng milyon, 1 milyon, 2 milyon, 5 milyon, more than that, no? So because of the system and platform na meron tayo. Alright, so this is our Korean premium products. This is all manufactured from South Korea. If they approve, halal approve, that's why na-carry out po natin ito papunta ng Dubai. So let's start with the cleansing foam. Marami pong mga individuals ang gumagamit talaga ng mga skincare, but they don't know how to use it. So ito po ang Korean skincare products natin. This is exclusively manufactured and formulated for all types of skin. No, hindi lang pang Pilipino, hindi lang pang Koreano, pang Japanese, pang American, all types of skin. So ang gagawin lang po ng produkto natin, papipinuhin lang po yung ating skin. And of course, yung face, sabi nga, yung face value natin, pag nakikipag-usap tayo sa tao, mukha ka agad yung nakaharap. Mukha ka agad yung tinitingnan. Alright? So, that's why, lahat po ng bahay sa buong mundo, merong nagpapaganda at nagpapagwapo, lahat po yan market natin. And syempre, hindi magpapauli ang ating locally made products. Yung ating pong 24K Gold Serum, liquid serum po yan. Also, we have the Insta Magic Lotion. Lalong-lalo na may mga gatherings, no? So, napakaganda po niyan. Our sunblock. Yan. So, ang sunblock po, there's no explanation. SPF 50 po yan. Talagang dapat natin gamitin araw-araw kasi mainit po dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. And syempre pa, hindi lang dapat yung mukha yung pagagandahin at paggagapuhin natin. Of course, yung maging smell good, no? Feel fresh, no? Yun po yung ating perfume. That's why may perfume po tayo. So, let's talk about saan po ginagawa yung ating Korean premium skincare products. Nakakasigurado po tayo ng kalidad, premium Korean skincare natin na manufactured po talaga to directly from South Korea, formulated for LLIC, and si LLIC ang magdidistribute sa buong mundo. Hindi po ito pinadala sa Pilipinas at dito nirepack. Alright? So, yung potency po ng products natin, all of the machinery sa ating planta ng manufacturer is mga robotics na po yan. Alright? And pag-usapan naman po natin, paano tayo magkakaroon ng rewards among those products na isinare ko po sa inyo. And tatlo lang po ang reward system na ibibigay ng kumpanya or ng system na meron tayo dito kay LLC. Number one is the cash bonuses. So what does it mean, the cash bonuses? No, we can earn commissions daily, weekly, monthly, and annually. Ibig sabihin, yung daily, pwede mong i-withdraw every day. Weekly, pwede ka mag-withdraw every week. Pwede ka mag-withdraw every month. Or pwedeng ipunin mo sa loob ng isang taon. But once is for all, no, sigurado po na daily payout po tayo. Pangalawa is the lifestyle. Yan, itong gustong-gusto ko. Kasi ang sarap po mag-travel ng libre. So you can travel for free. No? Naranasan na po natin yan dito kay LLIC. You can avail your car, no? Cars talaga. Kasi pwede kang magkaroon ng multiple of cars dito kay LLIC. Trinabaho mo lang, hindi mo na kailangang bayaran by your own money. From your effort, hard work, parang libre mo nang nakuha yung sasakyan mo. And lalong-lalo na yung mga cash incentive. Kasi sa ayaw mo at sa gusto, pag win-workout, hinataw mo to, magkakaroon ka ng mga cash incentives dito sa ating company. Another one is the rank up rewards. So, marami pong nag-join sa atin dito, hindi nakapag-high school, hindi nakapag-college, no? Or even nakapag-college man lang, pero hindi na-recognize. So, dito, pinaprioritize po natin. So, every year, no? Sa mga susunod na taon, pwede tayong magdao sa Okada, sa MOA Arena, Araneta Coliseum, no? Try to imagine na isa ka sa papanik doon. Dahil, nagkaroon ka ng rank up. I-reward ka. Yung achievements mo, magkakaroon ka ng more rewards at kukurunahan ka, ibibigyan ka ng certificate with cash incentive on the big dome. So, yun yung napakaganda. These three exciting rewards, absolutely, no? Kung first timer ka dito, alam ko naman, naiintindihan at naunawaan mo to. Alright? But the question is, what kind of platform ang pwede nating pagkakitaan with these three exciting rewards? Of course, we have the Supreme Financial Reward System. So dito po sa Supreme Financial Reward System natin, nakasystematic po kung paano mo i-hit, paano mo makukuha yung reward na pera na yan. Alright? Paghihirapan po natin. That's because, number one, e-commerce in dropshipping system. So pag sinabi po natin e-commerce, no, all we have to do, pag member ka na, pag naka-register ka na, all you have to do is to launch your, no, ilo-launch po natin yung inyong online store. O, pag sinabi natin online store, para kang merong Lazada, Shopee. And from your online store, magkakaroon ka ng link, pwede mo munang isend sa mga friends mo. So kahit hindi ka pa nagpe-Facebook ads, through Messenger, pwede mong i-share yung link mo. At pag i-share mo yung link mo, nag-click si customer, nag-place ng order, the company will pack your package, no, para sa customer mo, i-deliver ni company ng ating courier, no, sa customer, and absolutely ikaw magkakaroon ka ng commissions. Effortlessly. In any business, meron pong tinatawag na benta-benta. Hindi po ito nawawala. Yung direct selling discount. All we have to do, gamitin yung products. Kasi bakit? You have the chance to earn from 15% up to 27%. Try to imagine kung isang product pa lang may 27% ka. So, meron tayong tinatawag na affiliate, 15%, starter, 17%, meron tayong basic, 20%, meron tayong premium, 25%, and prestige, 27%. So, select the best answer dyan po sa ating multiple choice. I would like to share with you guys what is earning opportunity, earning potential behind this marketing plan, this system ni Luluran International Corporation. Number 2 is the direct sponsorship reward. Dito na po tayo, sabi nga, papaldo ng income. Why? In every packages, you are entitled to earn cash reward and case credit reward. Okay, paano yan, Director June? Alright, ganito. For every starter package na binili ng customer, ng kliyente mo, magkakaroon ka ng cash reward na 300 pesos. And may case credit kang 5cc. So yung case credit na yan is value for money po yan. But we need to compute that in the next slides. Alright? Second is the basic. Yung basic naman po, may cash reward kang 500 pesos. And for our premium, magkakaroon ka ng 1,500 cash reward. And for our prestige, no, which is, magkakaroon ka po ng 2,000 cash reward. Number 3 is the sales volume reward. Alam niyo po, sobrang excited ako lagi nito. Lalo-lalo na pag minamanwal ko lang ito sa ating mga kliyente, mas nai-elaborate ko sa kanila yung earning potential. Okay? But this time around, yung case credit na nabanggit ko po kanina, 1 case credit is equivalent to 100 pesos. That's why, yung ating pong starter, meron kang 100 times 5cc, that's, kikitain mo is 500 pesos. Sa basic naman, 10cc, 10 case credit times 100, that's 1,000 pesos. Sa ating premium, 27 case credit times 100, that's 2,700. And for our prestige, 37 case credit equivalent to 3,700. So, how it works sa ating system? Ito, tandaan nyo. Remember guys, all you have to do is to create your A group and B group. So, ibig sabihin, hahanapin mo lang si A group at si B group. Alright? So, paano ka kikita dyan? Paano yan, Director June? Paano yan nagmamaterialize? Alright. So, every person or every client na makukuha mo, ikaw yung magde-decide saan mo ilalagay. Kasi, at first, empty yan. So, let's say, for example, nakuha mo si friend A. Si friend A, nilagay mo sa, of course, sa A. Alright? So, nag-avail si friend A ng prestige. Nagkaroon ka ng 37 case credit. Kanina, kumita ka na kaagad dyan ng 2,000 pesos. Alright? Now, what if si friend B mo, nilagay mo rin sa B-side mo? So, nag-avail rin ng prestige, automatically, meron kang 37 case credit. No? Ngayon, ibuvolume sales po yan from the word sales volume reward or SVR. Sabi ng company, every 37 or every 1 case credit is equivalent to 100. That's why 37 times 100, you earn additional 3,700. Alright? So sa madaling salita, sa dalawang prestige, kumita ka ng total of 7,700. Now, what if ganito yung nangyari? Si A and B, nalaman na kumita ka ng 7,700. So this is a gaya-gaya system, gaya-gaya business. Alright? Ituturo mo lang dito kay A friend mo, B friend mo, nagayahin ka rin. Maghanap rin ng dalawa or more than 2. O what if ganito nangyari? Si A or si B, nakakuha ng prestige. Okay? Si B, nakakuha siya ng prestige, kumita siya ng 2,000. Paano si A, yung friend niya, medyo hindi ganun pa ka-equip magnegosyo, sumubok lang muna ng basic. So sa basic, kumita si A ng 500. Pero ikaw, dahil nasa A group and B group mo, ang sabi ng system, when there is a package or product purchase in your A and B organization, no, ibubulyom sales niya. But this time around, ang kukumpute ng system is yung mas mababang case credit. That's why, sa A mo may 10 case credit, sa B mo may 37, so yung 10 case credit lang muna ang ibubulyom sales, which is 10 times 100, meron kang 1,000. So, ano mangyayari dito sa 37 case credit ni B? I-deduct yung 10 case credit, magiging 27 case credit na lang yung nasa B mo. So, ang tawag dyan, retain yung case credit mo. Okay? So, hindi nawawala. Ito yung maganda. Sabi ni A, ikaw lang ba upline ang pwedeng kumita ng na SVR? Siyempre ako din. So, ang ginawa ni A, naghanap siya. Nakakuha siya ng premium. So, 27 sa right niya or sa B. Nasa A niya may 10. So, kikita itong si A ng 1,000. Pero ikaw, no, dahil nasa A side mo yung pumasok na 27 case credit, ibubulyom sales na naman yan ng system. So, hindi mo kailangang aralin, hindi mo kailangang isipin na paano siya nag-sales volume reward. All you have to do is to place sa A and B organization mo. So, this time around, 27 times 100, meron kang 2,700. Guys, mind this. No? Ito yung pinakamaganda. Kasi, hindi pinag-uusapan kung anong pumasok sa E&B mo. Ang pinag-uusapan, bawat may case credit, ma 5 case credit yan, ma 10, so ikinukompute lang kung saan yung strong leg mo at weak leg mo. Or yung strong group mo and pay leg mo. Alright? So dito, may 500 ka na naman. Paano ito nag-duplicate? May 37 case credit, may 137, may 1,000. So dumami yung case credit sa ilalim mo. Ang maganda dyan, para kang parang babaril ng 500, ng 1,000, ng 2,700, ng 3,700, ng 12,700, ng 33,000. So, any packages, any products ang pumasok sa Group A and Group B mo, magkakaroon ka po ng sales volume reward. Alright? Ang tanong, lagi ka bang mag-invest? Hindi. One time ka lang po na magsisimula ng capital mo kay LLIC. In the rest of that, gagawin lang po natin, i-leverage lang po natin yung sarili natin sa mga friends natin, sa mga kamag-anak natin, anyone na pwede natin ilagay sa Group A and Group B ng organization natin. Another thing na napakaganda ng sistema natin, meron po tayong tinatawag na repeat binary. How? Every now and then na may papasok na package sa A and B mo, no? 3,700 yan, may 1,000 ka, may 500 ka, may 2,700 ka, di ba? Unlimited. But, yung mga grupo mo or yung business partner mo, hindi rin mapipigilan pag naubos ang products nila, magre-repeat order. Any products po natin, hindi po yan yung exact na case credit ng per product. So, nagbigay lang po ako ng sample, no? So, let's say for example, sa A mo, may bumili ng product. Sa B mo, may pumasok na package. So, kung ano yung nasa maliit na case credit, yung po i-compute ng system natin. Dahil itong sa may BB cream, yung mas maliit, so 2 case credit times 100, you earn 200 pesos. Paano kung ito nalaman? Bumili sa A mo, nag-total of 8 case credit. Tapos sa B side mo, by 7 case credit. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga grupo mo, bumibili ng produkto, try to imagine, binabato ka ng 700, ng 100, o wala pong 50 kasi sa case credit, 100 lang po ang pinaka-minimum na pwedeng i-compute. Kasi 1 case credit is equivalent to 100. Wala pong 0.5 case credit. So sa madaling salita, 100, 300, 200, 500, more than that ang pwede mong kitain pag yan po ay natutunan nilang mag-repeat purchase. Alright? So, ganyan po kaganda yung ating sistema. But, hindi po natatapos dyan yung ating marketing plan. Kung na-internalize nyo po ngayon, itong first 3 nakitaan po natin, you can deliver, you can earn your first million for the next 90 days program or 90 days or 3 months. Okay? Ganyan po kaganda itong sistema na to. But after 3 months, na nakapag-build na tayo ng community or ng organization, Ito yung kasunod nating kitaan. Let me show you the potential income of each packages. So, meron lang po tayong sinet na parameter when it comes to earning opportunity ng per package po na ina-avail po natin. Let's say nag-start ka muna sa starter, so you have the chance to earn 2,000 pesos per day. So, hindi na po yan bad kasi bakit? That's around 60,000 per month. So, pag ikaw naman ay naka-basic, 5,000 per day, a total of 150,000 per month potential income. Pag ikaw ay naka-premium, malaki-laki na po ito. Baka hindi mo na po abutin yung 15,000 per day or a total of 450,000 per month earnings. Eh, paano kung naka-prestige ka? You have a chance to earn potentially ng 20,000 per day, which is a total of 30, in 30 days, that is 600,000. Guys, ito yung nakakabaliw. And another one, no? Pag nakapag-create ka na ng malaking community, this is the time na pwede ka na earn sa tinatawag nating uni-level rewards from the product consumption ng buong organization mo. So this is from first level up to 10th level. Of course, magsisimula muna tayo doon sa mas mababang position. Let's say for example, ang kinuha mo lang po ay basic or starter. So you have the chance to earn from the uni-level income from level 1 to 4th level. Oh, let's say for example, nag-direct ka ng 5 distributor. As you can see in the PowerPoint, no? So, yung levels, no? Level 1, number of distributor is 5. Ibig sabihin 5 direct. Yung points value na kailangan nilang i-maintain is 500 points value. So, 5 times 500 by 2,500 points value. Meron kang 10% on the percentage. So, 10% of the 2,500 is 250. So, yun ang kinita mo doon sa 5 tao na na-sponsoran mo. So, all you have to do is to teach them how to do the same. So, yung 5, tuturuan lang po natin humanap ng 5. On the second level, nagkaroon ka ng 25 members, business partners, Luzon, Visayas, in Mindanao. Nag-repeat order ng worth of 500 points value times 25, that's 12,500. On the second level, meron ka ng 5%. So, you earn 625. Eh, paano kung yung nasa second level mo, 30 katao na, 40 katao na? Paano kung nasa fourth level mo is 1,000 people na, person na? So, this first level up to 10th level, potentially pwede ka kumita ng 3 to 5 million every month. So, sa ngayon, drawing pa po yan. Ngayon, imahinasyon pa lang po natin. But believe me guys, Director Jimmy and I, naranasan na po namin kumita ng malaki sa uni-level program. That's why ako personally talagang grabe. Grabe yung eager ko na makabuild ng malaking organization. Kasi bakit? 3 months, 6 months, 1 year from now, pag nakabuild ka ng malaki, bumibili ang mga produkto, kahit na natutulog ka, end of the month, meron kang uni-level. Okay? So, dagdagan pa po natin yan na nakaka-excite. So, dito sa uni-level generation reward, pang number 6 po natin, kung kanina baliw ako, ngayon baliw ako dito. Why? All you have to do is to get your first 5. The uni-level generation reward is an incentive given to the sponsor who meet specific performance criteria. Alright? It empowers qualified leaders earn between 25% up to 100% of the uni-level income generated from the first level downlines based on the set requirements. So meaning to say, para kitain lang po natin ito, dapat naka-prestige account tayo. So kung naka-basic ka, all you have to do is to upgrade. Later na yan. Kasi ito, pag naka-build ka pa naman. So habang nagbi-build ka, kumikita ka for sure. Diba? So pag kumita ka, part of your income, i-upgrade natin sa prestige. So hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng full package ng prestige. Kung magkano sinimulan mo, dadagdagan mo na lang yan. In this time, you have the chance to earn 25% of the income ng 5 direct mo. Alright? Kumita ka na sa uni-level, kumita ka sa direct sponsorship reward, kumita ka sa sales volume reward, and pag yan ay nag-duplicate at kumita sa uni-level natin, try to imagine kung kumita yan ng 10,000, di may 2,500 ka. O kung 5 yan, that is 2,500 times 5, that's 12,500 din. Di ba? So, ganyan po kaganda ang sistema natin. Alam ko ngayon medyo nagugulo pa kayo kung paano ito kikitain, but all you have to do is to deliver, to be one of us and pagtulungan natin paano tayo makapag-create ng malaking community. I called it as community dahil bakit? Hindi po natin sila, yung mga downlines natin, this is not our, they are not our manpower. They are not our empleyado. They are our business partners. Alright? So, what if nakasampu ka, kung 10, 50% of their income, kikitain mo rin. So, grabe po ito guys. Grabe talaga ito as in. So, sa ngayon pa lang, i-choose mo na yung mga tamang tao na gusto mong isama sa organization mo. Kasi, in network marketing business, you can select, you can choose the people that you want to be with doing networking business. Alright? That's why, lagi kong sinasabi, every hindi nagtutok ako, make a lot of those. Pag maraming nag-aayaw sa'yo, pag maraming nagre-reject sa'yo, ibig sabihin, malapit ka doon sa tamang tao na makakasama mo dito sa community. Pero kung wala kang kakausapin araw-araw, wala kang sisiran, imposible po itong 5% direct, 10% direct, imposible po itong 15% direct na pwede kang kumita ng 75% or 100% from your business partners. Kasi bakit? Suntok sa buwan po ito pag hindi ka nak-create ng 20 directs. But with the program that we have right now sa ating community, nandiyan yung e-commerce, nandiyan yung digital marketing, nandiyan yung CMS program natin, nandito yung ating SBOP every thrice a week, no? So, imposible na hindi tayo makabuild. Meron pa tayong mga offline activities, imposible na hindi tayo makabuild. Alright? Number 7, sa sobrang dami nito, baka hindi nyo na matandaan, but always remember the first 3 earning opportunity natin, yan ay pwede ka nang mag-deliver ng first million mo in the next 90-day program. So, yung royalty reward natin, hindi ko na ito iisa-isahin sa inyo kasi pwede kang kumita ng cash reward, pwede kang magka-travel, pwede kang magkaroon down payment for your brand new car, pwede kang local and international travel. And yung cash reward mo from 100,000 to 50,000 to 25,000 to 5,000, hindi po yan binabawas-bawas. Lahat po yan. Pag na-hit mo ang 2 million income, meron kang 180,000 na cash reward, meron kang 200,000 for your brand new car, meron kang isang Asian tour, meron kang 2 local tour. Alright? So, ganyan po kabilis, ganyan lang po kaganda. But, of course, sa ngayon, napapakinggan nyo sa akin, parang ang dali lang. But always remember na networking business is very easy to earn money, but it's very difficult to work it out. So, mahirap po gawin to. Mas mahirap po to sa pagiging empleyado. Pero mas madali po dito ang income. Yung empleyado, makukontento na sila sa 15 to 20,000 per month. Pero pag network builder ka, pinakamababa mo dapat na kinikita 50,000 to 100,000 or even $500,000 each and every month. And of course, last slide ko na po ito sa marketing plan natin, profit sharing. So, hindi ko na muna ito i-elaborate ng in-depth kasi sa ayaw nyo sa gusto, pag may mga rank na po kayo, yung 10% of the total sales ng company out of points value, ibibigay, i-distribute po sa mga shareholder. Alright? Sa mga nagkakuha or nagkaroon ng share. Okay? But, I would like to share with this, na sa lahat ng didiscuss ko, we have the road to rewards. So, paano tayo magkaka-rewards talaga? Ano yung dadaanan natin? Number 1, you need to buy the package. So, no matter what, kung ano man sisimulan nyo, starter, basic, premium, or prestige. Isa-isay po natin yan. After you buy the package, para po ma-aware yung ating mga kamag-anak, kapatid, tita, tito, kapitbahay, Facebook friends, lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo, all you have to do is to use the product. So, parang bumili ka ng bigas, di mo malalasahan ang bigas na masarap kung hindi mo isasaing. Diba? Kung ipinabigay mo sa kapitbahay, si kapitbahay ang nasarapan. Diba? Nabusog. So, bumili ka ng masarap na ulam, pinakain mo sa mga anak mo, hindi mo tinikman, hindi mo masasabing sobrang sarap ng binili mong ulam. Tama? So, dito, after you buy the package, just use the product para makita mo yung significant effect sa face mo. Pangatlo, habang nakukuha mo na yung tamang resulta sa timpla ng face mo or ng self-confidence mo, just share it to your family, friends, social media account mo, lahat ng pwedeng may makakitang tao about your business, about LLIC, i-share mo ng i-share ng i-share. So, habang sinishare mo siya, doon mo na siya natututunan. 'Di ba? You are learning about how to do networking business, how to do multi-level marketing business. So, pag nag-yes na yan, nandiyan na papasok yung ating exciting rewards. na you can encash every day, every week, every month, every year. So yung tatlong platform natin, the cash reward, the lifestyle, and the rank up reward, lahat po yun makukuha natin. But the question is, Director John, magkano ba niya ang capital? Okay. So, wag na po kayong kukurap. Piliin nyo na po ang the best answer. So, if you are going to do this business na talagang sabi nga, magagamit mo na lahat ng produkto, may pangbenta ka na, go for the higher package. Sa ngayon, in the middle pa lang po ito na i-share ko sa iyo. Alright, so we have the Prestige package, that is 29.98. We have the Premium, 15.998. So kung wala pang 29.98, wala pang 59.98, you can start with our personal use, yung down payment po natin. We have 4.998 for option po ito. We have option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. And we have also reservation. Ang reservation po natin, all you have to do is to select this 2 package. No? It's either BB cream or white in wrinkle spot cream. May nagtanong sa akin, what if Director John nakakuha ako ng Prestige? Matatanggap ko ba yung 2,000? Of course, yes. So hindi po pinag-usapan yung package na kinuha mo. Ang pinag-usapan natin dito, mag-engage ka and i-post mo yung product. What if yung kakilala mo, kaya pala mag 29.98? Kaya pala mag 59.98? So panalo ka. Isang kliyente lang, bawi mo na kagad yung kinapital mo. Alright? Then, of course, reason to consider LLIC. Bakit nga ba ako dyan kasali, Director June? Diba? That is the question of so many people na diniscuss namin. Simple lang. Kasi nasa new era of multi-level marketing industry tayo. Ibig sabihin, we have the e-commerce system. Usually, ang price niyan sa labas nasa 100,000 para magpagawa ka. We have the digital marketing. Ito yung very crucial. How to learn contents, how to learn e-commerce business or yung ating pong Facebook ads campaign. Sa labas, magbabayad ka ng mga 500,000. Alright? Dropshipping, usually mga 250,000 yan. Pag nag-inquire ka sa mga dropshipping website na gusto mong magpagawa. High quality skincare products, hindi mo mabibili sa any department store yung ating mga produkto, only kay LLIC lang and sa mga distributors. Lucrative commissions, bonuses, and incentive. So, sa present ko po sa inyo, I'm sure 100% agree kayo na sobrang ganda ng ating marketing plan. Company credibility, nako, si Mayor, hindi po yan magtatayo ng kumpanya for the decades, no? Kasama ko na po sila with Director Jamie for the past 12 years of doing this business. And of course, strong community in support. So we have GUB directors, GPT directors, we have drivers sa ating system ngayon, si Rico Raimundo, BP Santi, and the rest of our BODs. So nandiyan nakasupport sa atin. Personality development training, kompleto po tayo dyan. Alright? So we will teach you how to stand up, how to leverage, paano tumagtok, paano gawin ang negosyo. Iisa-isahin po natin yung ituturo sa inyo. Coaching and mentoring session, CMS every Monday. Available po ito sa lahat ng mga distributors every Monday. So, kung distributor ka na, iset aside mo na yung 7 p.m. na every Monday. Kasi bakit? Matututo po tayong lahat doon sa mga CMS. Yours truly, Director James, and the rest of the trainers po natin, kami po yung nagkakandak doon. Alright? So, I hope and pray na may naunawaan po kayo sa gabing ito and I hope and pray na nag-sink it po sa inyo yung aking pong presentation, yung aking 1 minute na presentation for tonight. But before I end, I would like to leave this Bible verse po sa inyong lahat. Sabi nga po, for I know the plans I have for you, declares to the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. So, from Jeremiah 29:11 yan. And sabi nga po, no, alam niyo po, lahat ng tao masisipag. Lahat po ng tao palandasal. But always remember this saying na lagi pong nasa Diyos ang awa at lagi pong nasa tao ang gawa. So kung pray nga tayo ng pray and yet wala naman tayong ginagawang action, so hanggang prayer lang po tayo. Wala pong mangyayari na reality. Alright? So yung prayer natin na gusto natin mabago yung buhay, magkaroon ng financial freedom and time freedom, all we have to do is to create our number 1, momentum. Pangalawa, energy. Enthusiastic. Dapat enthusiast tayo. And yung prayer natin, kinabukasan, let's take action. Nagpipray ka na, bigyan ka ng mga tamang tao, baka nasa tabi mo lang ngayon yung tamang tao. Nasa paligid mo lang, kapitbahay mo lang yan. 'Di ba? Kapatid mo lang yan, pinsan mo lang yan, pero hindi mo lang kasi tinatap. So, start tapping your neighbors, friends, Facebook friends, and of course, family members. So with that, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig and salamat sa oras na nag-stay kayo sa ating Zoom room. So congratulations once again sa mga nakatapos ng aking presentation for tonight.